Hello again, that's Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very fun celebration hop. It is for Ginger Bush, who is from Ginger's Corner and Friends, and she is celebrating a huge milestone, 5,000 subscribers. Congratulations, Ginger. That is just an awesome accomplishment. She is also having a giveaway on her channel, so head on over there afterwards. There will be links down below. Also check everyone else out that's playing along. She's giving away a $20 cherry on top gift card, and our goal today is to be using scraps. So I have pulled out this montage. So what I am interpreting scraps to be for me, because this is going to work best for me, is I do have scraps. So you guys know a couple weekends ago I really went through, organized and cleaned. I got some new like organization bins and stuff to put all these collections in. I have so many collections. They literally were taking up one whole wall of my craft room on the floor because I have them sitting like in bags and stuff. Not to mention all of them that are in my calyx cube behind me. So I decided to focus on the floor. I've got that all organized so that everything is easy for me. But I found all these like half used, not even half, like mostly used, probably can get a layout or two out of them, collections. And I'm like, I need to just get these used up, right? So I made them be a focus in a different cart. But I do have scraps here. And this is a very old collection. It's not very old. I think it's from like 2020. From Photo Play, and it was Stay Home. So obviously 2020, COVID, all of that stuff. So we have all these scraps to use. So that's also helps me. I have a sticker sheet that's really used. I've got this big scrap here, and then 3 full pieces of cardstock. So, oh, I love them all. I really like this one because the photo is of Bee, and she's snuggling her little snuggie. So we're going to do like a pajama party. But also I thought that it would be really fun to pull in what I consider scraps, the things that are sitting up here. You can't see it from but it's all these little rando bins that I have of stuff left over from collections that have been used up, but it's just like 1 or 2 items. So I'm going to pull in and try to use these little doggy buttons. I have these Kingston Crafts butterflies and hearts and stars and all kinds of fun shapes and 2 different teals. These guys that I have no idea where I got them. These cute little, look at these guys. They're like the cutest little bitty, like look, it's a little ducky. So little enamel pieces. Love them. I brought in orange and yellow half pearls. My little bee container because, bee. I had these 3 random florals, but still in the teal. I've got this very fun, like bee paper. So how gorgeous is that? So I wanted to see if I could maybe use that. I don't know. I don't really think it matches the mood and feel, but I'm trying to use up my random stuff. My scraps. I've got these little puffy icons that are doggies from Doodlebug. I've got some Bella Boulevard hearts. And so I have used all the scraps. And this is kind of what I did, tear this piece so that it would extend. But I really am liking it. I've got this guy popped up on some foam because it's like a little clubhouse. I figured we'd put that there. Got the little sloth hanging. I want to put him up here. I also want the sloth to go right there. So we're just going to start getting some of these little pieces down. And I've got the edges of everything just like scuffed up, if you can see, like it's kind of very dimensional. I'm digging that look these days. So we're just going to put this guy right up here. And then I guess we're gonna need something over there. So we'll just stick this guy maybe right there. We'll see. Might have to move him. We do have these items still, but I'm not sure if we're going to use those. I want to see where I want to get my title at. There's a lot of empty space in the photos, but maybe we'll move this stuff over. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see. I think we can pull that over and we can get pretty much. So if we put that guy right about there, put him there, we get the blanket fort there, and we can definitely get this little sweet moments. We're going for it. You guys know I do that. I just go for it. I don't try to think about it, because the more I think about it, then I'll never get anything done. So we're just going to add some glue. We're just going to put it right there so that will all link together. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get these flowers in here. So, because I want to put a flower up here. I want to get a flower up here and a flower down there. I don't think we're going to be able to use the bee stuff this time, which is totally okay. So we've got a little bit more of the homework to do, right? And then add all this stuff. But that's okay, because I just think it's the wrong color tone. All right, let me go ahead and dismantle these and get them stuck on there, and I will be right back. And I think this is super cute. I wanted to put this one over here because it's like she's looking at him and she's like, no, it's fine. So, and this is just in our basement, so it's an unfinished basement that we just kind of sit down and it's got carpet and stuff, but nothing fancy to write home about. All right, I will be right back. All right, so we've got all of these little things stuck on here, and I've taken, oh, well, he didn't stick. None of them stuck. Fabulous. So I'm trying desperately to get these little guys stuck in there so that we could kind of tuck them in. So let's see how we can do this. Let's just kind of throw a whole bunch of glue on there and get these little guys stuck down. And then I want to take a little bee and we'll add a little bee on there as well. I think we'll go with the silver bees. Then we'll get this one. We're going to bring up here. Come in and just get them situated. And then where can we put the silver bee here? Maybe if we move that over, we can get a silver bee right there. Okay. Oh, I thought that one stuck. No. So then this one will stick here. Excuse me. We're just flooding it with a lot of glue. Normally I don't need that much glue, but today we do. So we got them all going the same way. Okay, we'll just keep up with that little trick. All right, and then what I'm going to do is, I do kind of have OCD, you guys, so I have to put things away as I use them. Let's pull in. We've got the little hearts on there, each of the clusters. Let's go ahead. This cracks me up because it has dog poop on there, and it really does just crack me up. Let's get a little birdie in each of them. And then kind of just stick this little birdie over here. Okay. And the last thing we're going to do is I'm going to scatter these around. So I'm going to put them in the 3 clusters, each of the colors, 3 of each. And you'll see that in the end photos there where I do that, because I don't really want to make you watch me do all that. I'm just going to put 3 orange, 3 yellow, 3 orange, 3 yellow, 3 orange, 3 yellow. You get it. So don't forget to check out Ginger's channel. Make sure you go over there and do what you got to do to get the fabulous prize that she's giving away. I think that's awesome. So we'll just do this real quick, and head down in the comments, or the comments, into the information box down below. Wow, I had a total brain fart there. And check out everyone else that is playing along. Trying to make sure that I get different sizes. I feel like that's the same size. Okay, we're going with it. We're just going for it. I guess those don't really have very many sizes. That's all right. I'm just going to add some sparkle and shine, right? That's what we're going for. So that's just what we're going to do. We're going to pop those on. So I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.